Microsoft Word offers two options to export a Word document as a PDF. For the first option, go to File, Print, select Microsoft Print to PDF from the printer dropdown, and in case you don't want to print all pages, simply enter your page selection in the Pages field. Finally, click on Print, select where you want to save the PDF and give it a name, and then click on Save to finish the export. For the second option, again go to File, but this time click on Save As. Afterwards, click on Browse, select a location where you want to save the document and give it a name. In the Save As Type dropdown, select PDF, and in case you want to export only specific pages, you can set a range in the Options window. Here, you can also create PDF bookmarks if you used the heading styles in the document. And you can decide if you want to export the document properties and so-called tags, which make the document a bit more accessible for screen readers. After customizing your settings, click on OK, and just in case the file size is more important for your project than the quality, you can optimize the document for a minimum size. In the end, click on Save to save the Word document as a PDF. Which of these two methods do you typically use? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see which exporting option is the better one, you will find a link to a separate video on this topic in the video description below. If this video solved your problem, then you could do me a huge favor by subscribing to the channel and also liking the video. Thanks a lot, and I see you in the next one.